Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to decontaminate painted wheels. I'm going to be using DeCon, Mr. Pink, and then an assorted amount of brushes here. So first, I'm going to prep my bucket. I've got my brushes set up here. I'm going to take an ounce of Mr. Pink, squirt it in my bucket that's got 5 gallons of water in it. Then I'm going to put my dirt trap in here, push it all the way to the bottom. And now I'm just going to put my brushes in there so they can get the foam and water absorbed. Now I'm going to spray the surface using DeCon. DeCon is an iron remover, so as I'm spraying it on here, it's attaching itself to all the dirt, grime, and iron, and it's pulling it away from the rim. So I'm going to let this sit. It should turn purple once it's pulled off all the iron. If not, I'm just going to start rinsing and scrubbing it off. So I've let this sit here for a few moments. Obviously it's not turning purple. It's not too uncommon on cars like this because they don't have a lot of iron in the brake pads, but it is taking off a lot of the dirt and grime here. I'm just gonna grab one of my brushes and start cleaning out the barrel, the rim, and then the face. So I'm gonna start with the concourse wheel brush over here. So this is the green, soft flag tip brush. Safe for the face of the rim here, won't scratch up anything, but it's also strong enough to pull off all the brake dust and grime that's been sitting on here. This brush is made out of a plastic base, which is safe for the painted rims. It's not going to scratch or damage anything, so it is okay to knock it up against the surface here. Now using the best detailer's brush, I'm going to get in the intricate areas like the lug nuts and in between these spokes here. Also made of a plastic construction, so if it bangs up against the surface of the rim, it's not going to scratch anything, won't harm the wheel in any way. And then the last step is going to be to clean off the tire here. I'm using the blue Stiffy brush, which is a strong plastic bristle, which is going to be able to scrub off any old dressings or tire debris, things off the road, things like that. Also made of a strong plastic material, so if it does bang up against the rim or the bodywork, it's not going to scratch or harm it. Final step here is to wipe off any excess water or soap off the tire and the rim and off the paintwork here. And there you have it. This tire and rim is squeaky clean and ready to go.